Hey, it's Jimmy here with True Homes. I'm standing in front of a Montcrest 1755. It's a two-story Montcrest ranch floor plan. You never see two of these the same. Let's go on inside and take a look. Look at the Montcrest 1755. Like I said, no two clients ever build this home exactly the same. Let me know what you think about this one, and we'll see you on a future video.